In this video, we are going to be unboxing, installing, and reviewing this RGB corner lamp that you can get on Amazon. It's affordable, it looks like a lightsaber, and it comes with a remote control, allowing you to change colors and different effects and modes. Is it cool? Should you get it? Well, let's find out in this unboxing and review. Hey everybody, it's Andy Barrar, Handy Andy from handyandymedia.com. And if you're new here, I'm kind of like a tech handyman. I love to do a lot of DIY projects, but I also review a lot of tech. So if you're into that content, you definitely want to like and subscribe. Got a great video for you today. I was gonna treat myself to a new RGB light, so I found this on Amazon. The link is in the description below, so if you wanna check it out. But let's go ahead and start at the unboxing to show you exactly what you get, how to set it up, and then we'll test it out. So here's the box that I received from Amazon. Again, the link is in the description if you want to look at this exact one. Kind of gives you a brief overview of the different kind of colors. It can respond to musical patterns. It has remote control, etc. And there is even a QR code. It is made in China, and they call it the Smart RGB Floor Lamp. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside, kind of show you how to put it together. So as we unbox it, you'll notice it's kind of in a nice compact box, so it doesn't take much space. Would make for a great gift, folks. Especially if you have like a 8 or 9-year-old male, they're gonna totally be into this, or man, boy like myself. So you see there's the plug. There is also the remote control that it comes with, and it has these super tiny screws along with the instruction manual. So let's go ahead. I'm too excited. I gotta put this together. It doesn't look that hard. Don't have to be a DIY hero to be able to put this one together. Basically, it just connects like Transformers, essentially. But the first thing you want to do is put the legs on, and that's why they have those tiny screws. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the leg, and then you have to put the other one. And to make sure that they don't move, there are these little tiny holes there, and that's why it came with those screws, and probably the smallest Allen key that you're ever gonna find. It takes a little bit of time, but make sure that you get those screws in. They're super, super small. I don't think you can make them any smaller, or even the Allen key any smaller. After that, the legs are in, you just attach the pieces on. I'm gonna kind of show you over here. I'm about to put this one on, and then I realize, oops, put the wrong one on. Got to switch it up because one of them has a top to it. So that can kind of tell you. There it is, all set up. Let me just go ahead and try it in my living room. There, put a nice red color. And go ahead and toggle between all the different kind of colors that the remote control offers. Those are the kind of popular colors. You know, of course, you have your red, green, and your blue, the RGB. And another great thing is they have a mode button, which I will select. And this is where it gets really impressive because you can also adjust the brightness. That's what I was doing right there. But let me go ahead and toggle through the modes. And that's when it gets really interesting because you have all these crazy little effects. So press the mode. Look at that. Isn't that kind of cool? Kind of reminds me of Knight Rider and Kit with the car. So if you grew up in the 80s, you're gonna be entertained. Look at this one. This kind of looks kind of cool. And then you can, adjust it from there. A lot of customization. Here it is inside of my high-tech Airbnb suite, the Central City Smart Home. Looks pretty cool right on that spot. I really like it because it gives just a nice ambiance, and it matches with all the other RGB lights that I've already installed underneath the bar top there and above the cabinets. And also I do have that other light, that DIY mirror that I created a couple years ago. So there's the effect. What you'll notice is that I put some, what is that? Velcro tape. That's what it's called. Velcro tape on there so that I can just kind of mount it vertically or horizontally if I want to match with the bar there. Gives you kind of two options. I wanted to make sure that people knew that it can rip off. That's why I wanted to show that Velcro tape. But looks hot. Looks hot if you ask me. I like the way that is looking. Looks really sharp inside of this room. Kind of gives it a really cool ambiance. I almost feel like I need another one on the other side, but look at this. I even have another crazy light that I recently installed on top. So this is like a really futuristic, high-tech Airbnb suite, and I think the guests are really gonna, enjoy it and think that it's a kind of a cool ambiance to everything else that I have. You want to party? You just go ahead, take that off, press the mode button, You get some crazy, crazy effects just with the click of a button. I don't know if everyone is going to be impressed as much as I am. I'm pretty geeky. I like this kind of stuff. I like the lights. What can I say? I like the lights, and I like different modes of lights, and I love RGB lights. Clearly, as you can see inside of this suite, just, you know, whether you're a kid or an adult, I think something like this will make a great gift, especially for a little one out there, just because of the cool ambiance. Or if you're a YouTuber or a gamer, this is really going to set up the ambiance in your room or in your space. Look, that's just a white light as well. So you could use it just as a standard light to illuminate in a room. It's portable too. It's supposed to go into the corners, but you can move it around if you want to. It's super light, doesn't take much electricity, and look at that crazy effect that it's providing in the Central City smart home. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. What can I say? I like the lights. It's just a fantastic way to create a certain mood inside of a space. So if you're interested in doing that, I highly recommend it. Like I said, the link is in the description below. Once again, my name is Andy Barrar. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video. Handy Andy, signing out.